How to fix Fortnite login failed. What's up everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can fix this error. So if you're facing issue logging into your Fortnite account, first thing you do is open your Epic Games launcher. Once you open it up, you are just going to have to hover your mouse over to your profile at the top right, and then click on it. After that, you are going to have to find settings right below redeem code and go to settings. Once you click on the settings menu, just scroll down a bit until you find Fortnite. Click on the drop down for Fortnite, and then you'll find this option called additional command line arguments. Make sure that is checked out, and once you check it, you're going to have an empty text field. So there you're going to have to enter the code -D3 D11, and once you've entered that, just go ahead and check out. Click on the settings icon at the top left. It will save your settings. Once that is done, all you have to do is scroll down and restart your Epic Games driver. Once you open your launcher again, you are just going to have to try to open Fortnite and log in. That should work, but if it doesn't work, you will just have to check your driver for updates. So click on that. Open your graphics drivers and see drivers and softwares up to date or not. You can click on check for updates to see if there are any updates available. If yes, just update it to its latest version and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found it helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.